Hello, everyone. Today, let's explore the DataRobot website, a leading platform in automated machine learning and AI solutions. DataRobot offers tools to build, deploy, and manage AI models efficiently. Their platform supports both cloud and on-premise deployments, catering to various business needs. Key features include automated machine learning, time series analysis, and MLOps integration for end-to-end model lifecycle management. Regarding pricing, DataRobot provides a 14-day free trial, allowing users to experience the platform's capabilities before committing. While specific pricing details are tailored to individual business requirements, costs are based on factors like contract duration and usage. For instance, pricing is determined by the terms agreed upon with the vendor, and additional usage may incur extra charges. Advantages of using DataRobot include reduced deployment time, with some customers reporting up to 83% faster model deployment, an intuitive interface suitable for users without deep technical expertise, a wide range of algorithms and support for various data sources. However, there are some considerations. The platform's cost may be high for smaller organizations. There might be limited customization options for advanced users. A learning curve exists to fully utilize all platform features. DataRobot is utilized across industries such as finance, healthcare, manufacturing, and the public sector, aiding organizations in accelerating AI adoption and enhancing business processes. If you found this overview helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more insights.